Did you know there's a village in the Netherlands with no roads? Just canals and boats? Welcome to Giethoorn, the Dutch Venice, where even the mail is delivered by boat and locals glide through the village by water. Giethoorn is a peaceful little village in the northeast of the Netherlands, in the province of Overijssel. It sits right next to Weeribben National Park, one of the largest wetlands in northwestern Europe. But what really makes this place special is its layout. There are no cars in the historic center, just one main canal lined with storybook cottages, wooden bridges, and colorful gardens. That's it, one path, one canal, and a whole lot of charm. As you float or walk along that single canal route, you'll pass cozy cafes, old farmhouses with thatched roofs, and quiet spots where you can stop and soak up the scenery. The calm, the quiet, the birdsong, it's like stepping into a postcard. Getting to Giethoorn from Amsterdam is pretty easy, but it takes some planning. You take a train to Steenwijk, and from there, hop on a local bus or grab a taxi to the village. One thing to keep in mind, the last bus back to Steenwijk station can leave surprisingly early. When I visited, it left around 6 p.m., so definitely check the schedule because you don't want to get stranded. Public transport works, but it can be slow. If you're comfortable driving, going by car can save time and give you more flexibility, especially if you want to stay later or explore nearby areas. The best time to visit Giethoorn? Spring and early autumn are perfect. The flowers are in bloom, the weather is mild, and the crowds are smaller than in summer. Early mornings or late afternoons are magical here. The light reflects off the water, the air is quiet, and it's just peaceful. It's one of those places that really lets you slow down. Giethoorn is more than a pretty photo. It's a place to breathe, to wander, and to fall in love with the slower side of the Netherlands. So, have you ever been to Giethoorn? Or is it on your list now? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to follow for more hidden gems around the Netherlands and beyond.